Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a complete demo of URL Shortener app using SvelteKit plus TypeScript and Node.js in backend. So let's start our demo. Here is the code of project. First I will open it through terminal by write command code space dot, and he will open our VS Code at this project path. Then I will run this project by first I will run its front end and npm render its command. I also use Docker in this project, and then I will run backend by same command npm render, and it will hosted on 5173, and I also use Redis here for data catching. So here we will see its demo. Here there are links we already created, and now I will create a new link. Whatever doesn't matter, whatever you want to give it. And here you can see its details of all links. I also added pagination, also added filtration by newest, by oldest, by A to Z and Z to A. You can also view table view and grid view for it, and there are slug, or here is also search, and you can see Pakistan, and here is, and this is the URL, and I will copy it and create a new slug for it. Now I will clear filtration, and now I will create this. You can see it's a large URL. I will create a slug for it. And he created a keyword code. It's another, you can see he created a keyword code, and it's shorter URL, whatever name I want, and I can also view its analytics. You can see currently it has 0 clicks or whatever. You can also see it. You can see this link is present in now in list, and you can also see its analytics of link. You can see I have clicked on that link and 3 times, and it counts the totals of that link. And I also mentioned its GitHub code link in description. You can get that code from that one, and you can apply easily the URL shortcuts for this one. Also you will find beneficial this video for you if you wanna to get more code bases for a full stack engineer. Subscribe to my channel, and if you like that one, please press the bell icon and give a like of this video. Thanks guys, we'll meet after some time. Bye bye.